To change the language for Google Pixel 10a, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down and select the About System right here. It has this gear icon next to it. If your phone is set in a different language, then you can just follow the buttons and icons that I'm pressing. So here in the system, we need to click on the first option on the top, and then we can click on Add a Language, or if you have two languages right here, you need to replace them so that the language that you want to use as main one is set in the first place. In this case, let's add another language, for example this one, and now if we actually move it up, it will be set as our main language for entire system after a few moments. You can always change them like this or remove them with the remove button. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.